Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum, namaskar. Hey guys, early morning today, it's raining. I'm walking to my home because there is no auto rickshaw, there is no any tuk-tuk to take to my home. So that's why I'm walking to my home now without any motorcycle, without any tuk-tuk, without any auto rickshaw. I'm walking to my home now because it's raining here. Yesterday night also it was raining. Now also it's raining. Very good weather, but I don't like rain because it's very difficult to go out, you know. But so far I'm enjoying the rain, guys.